Okay, how we doing? We gotta get junk out of the way.
Oh, I see it back there.
Do you? What is it?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, he's on surface. Could be a tuna. Let's say a tuna fish. Need the belt or?
I'm not getting anywhere.
Here, I'll slow down. I'm gonna slow down and turn left.
Well, it's skinning on top of the water. And
That's okay.
Yeah, but you don't hear me.
I know that makes it easier. You can give it full. Give it full. There you go. Pull forward.
Boy, that might have helped.
Pull forward. He's a coming. Oh, it's a blackfin tuna. I can tell. I think I might bring him through the door. He looks awful big.
Feels like I got two of them.
Oh man, he's a whopper.
What?
This line. I think it's going to interfere. Go ahead and pick it up. There you go. Go over to the other side. Let's hope that we're still good. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. I'm gonna gap him. Here he comes. You're gonna want to pick the rod up whenever you can. I'll see how good the hook is set. See whether to drag him or gap him. Looks like he's in the kid.
So wide it up again.
No. Be careful. Just tiny. I'm just gonna pull him in. Darn. Oh, he's half on too.
I knew something was on him.
Well,
Yeah, that's nice.
let me get him on the film. Well, hell. Good thing he wasn't a blackfin tuna.
Yeah, he's a big tiny though.
Yeah, he was a big one.
Whew.
Darn.
I
When
knew
did he-
I was reeling something else in.
When did he stop biting?
It never stopped because something was eating it.
Okay.
Watch you under the line
Yeah,
that's
I
caught
got
on
it.
the eye.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Fish.
Well, I think I don't really want him.
Well, yeah. Sorry,
Bye,
dude.
dude.
That's
Let's
terrible.
work that up first. Darn it. Give it a quick rinse so I can get rods back out again.